airbag light. All right. 2008 Volvo P3 XC70 North America. SRS-B00741B. Let's see. Second row center seatbelt, pre-tensioner deployment control, la 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 la. Resistance above threshold. Resistance means that the wire is frayed. Pop off the bottom cover here. Let me zoom out. This is just pressure fit, okay? So there's some slots here that is just pressured in. Okay, so you just yank with confidence and it'll come out. You just kind of out there. The center seat belt, okay, is this guy here. I'm on the passenger side in North America. You can see here, I can tug this guy and it moves. So I know it's this one. I move wood chips in the trunk with the seats down sometimes. So I got a bunch of wood chips in this connection. I just blew it off like a NES cartridge, put it back in, and we'll erase the code and it will not show up again. So we got the airbag light on. Okay. So exit that. Erase. Yes. Okay. Airbag light is off, but the thing does a diagnosis every something like 3 seconds after startup or something. It's just checking the quality of the wire. So let's turn this off. Car's in park. La la la. Turn that off. Put the key out, probably important. Okay, turn it back on, and what do we got? Let's out. Lucky me, and you know, I got my seatbelt still on. Go through the cycles. Maintenance overdue, that's another video. And headlamp service. Guess what? Headlamp service is just the swivel bits, right? So if you got this guy here, it's just not going to turn. Don't replace them, just keep them straight. Car's old enough. All right, have a good day. Bye.